So let us discuss the next point, that is breathing system into the insects such like grasshoppers. So there are so many insects are there all over our surrounding of us. So they are doing the breathing through the help of a special opening present on their body, that is called as a spiracles. The special opening is present on the body of insects for breathing. That opening is called as a spiracles. And there is a series of smaller parts in the body, that is called trachea. What it is called? Trachea. The series of smaller parts present on the body is called trachea. So through that insects are breathing, inhale and exhale, they are done by like that organs, like asparagus and trachea.
Air enters the insect body through tiny holes present on the sides of the body. These holes are known as spiracles. The spiracles open into a network of thin air tubes spread over the body of an insect. These tubes are known as the trachea, and they facilitate gas exchange. Oxygen reaches the cells through the tracheal system, and the carbon dioxide is received from the cells by the tracheal system and expelled from the insect body through spiracles.
So like that in the fish, it having the gills for the respiration. So let me discuss about the fish, the breathing system into the fish.
Since fish is an aquatic animal, its respiratory system is different from the respiratory system of animals living on land. Fish has gills that allow it to breathe in water, so the fish is under no compulsion to come to the surface of the water for air. They take in oxygen-rich water through their mouth and pass it over the gills. The gills are lined with blood vessels which absorb the oxygen and release carbon dioxide into the water. The deoxygenated water is then expelled from the body through gills.
So in the fish, that gills are present for the respiration. Fish are taking water in which that oxygen is dissolved through the mouth. When it goes into the body, then fish try to force to throw out such water through the thin wall of gills. As that water pass out from the body, then whatever oxygen is getting from that water, it is utilized or it is supplied all over the body. So today we are discussed about the breathing system of insects and fish, about the breathing system of amphibians, reptiles and birds. We are going to discuss into the next video. Up to that, stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.